I love when I have successful curly days. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope you enjoyed our last videos. Alright, so in this series of videos, we will see the evolution of curly hair, my curly hair over the week, and how long it takes before I have to wash it. Today is day one, best day ever to have the best curls, successful curls, as you can see. Lovely curls. I should stop touching them, but they're so good to touch. And so, as day one, the hair looked good, and I will go out later on for a dinner, and we'll see how they transform with humidity and also after a night of sleep. Good morning, everyone. So we continue with this series regarding curly hair transformation. And I just woke up and I have my hair tied in a loose bun. So now we're gonna see what's the outcome. Yesterday I went out for dinner and it was raining and there was humidity, so they are still good and they have more volume. But they lost a little bit the definition that they had yesterday. I didn't shake them yet, so it looks pretty good because usually you have to shake it to have something coming out from your hair. But of course it's a bit frizzy because of the humidity yesterday. I was touching it and the rain. Let's use this tool to create even more volume. And voila! This is day 2 of curly hair. See you in day 3. Hello guys! Today I had quite a busy day, so I'm just recording the third day in the evening. My hair of course doesn't look as good as the other days in this third day, and also I was at the gym, so I was sweating. But here it is, third day for my hair. I'm not gonna wash it. I had it in a bun, but it doesn't require washing yet, even though it has lost definition. Maybe tomorrow I can pump it up, but now I'm going just to sleep. Let's see it from behind. Okay, now I have to go because the gym is closing. Bye. Hello guys, I didn't forget about the usual check-in. Today is my 4th day for the hair. It still looks good, I promise. I didn't touch it. I didn't even use a refresher as I said yesterday. Because I didn't have time. I just went straight to the office, then I came back, I had some food, then I had a mini mental breakdown, and then I'm recording this video. I am already in pajamas, but let's check this hair as promised. So for day 4, this is my hair. I'm not gonna wash it. I'm just gonna style it tomorrow, maybe like it in a bun, like this. And then maybe I'll wash it at day 6 or day 5. Tomorrow is day 5, maybe day 6 is better. Alright, it's game over for my hair. For the past 5 days, I didn't touch it, I just put it in a bun. And as you can see, it lost the definition of the first day, but I noticed that having a good hair routine helps your hair last longer. I don't despise it, as in it's not that bad. Of course it doesn't look like the first day, but it's not bad. And the more I take care of them with my hair curly routine, the better it will become over the days, and maybe it will last 7 days next time. So yeah, thank you for watching this video.